Here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this dance starts with the leader and the followers separated on the front and the back of the dance floor. Or if you've ever done theater, downstage and upstage. So follower, you're going to be towards the front of the floor or downstage, and leader, you're going to be towards the back of the floor or upstage. So for the first 2 counts, we're just going to register the beat and lock eyes with one another. And in the following counts, we are going to walk towards each other. So we hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By the end of the first 8, you should be halfway to each other. And then on the second 8, we completely close the gap and finish side by side. So this goes 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are both on each other's right side. The follower is facing the back of the floor. The leader is facing the front of the floor. And then both of our right arms are just crossed around our partner's midsections. Now from here, we continue walking around, and we're gonna walk about 360, going 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On count 7, 8, you're gonna make sure you join hands with one another. Then you're gonna both put your feet together. Your arms are gonna go down to go up, and then your hands are gonna finish behind each other's head. So leader, your left arm, follower, your right arm is gonna go behind the leader's head. Leader, your right arm, follower, your left hand finishes behind your head. So we call this a double face loop. Some people also call it the bow tie. So again, arms go down to go up, finish behind the head, and then we are going to slide to get away from each other in our right hand. And then follower, you're gonna turn counterclockwise or to your left under your right arm. Finish facing your leader. We are going to get into a cross-handed hold. So you both wanna make sure your right hand is on top, your left hand is on the bottom. And then we finish this with just a fun flare, which is our arms are going down, releasing, and then finishing together to start our next section. Now my tips for this intro: in the very beginning walks towards one another, you both just want to be very intentional with your arms. So for example, follower, if you have any extra fabric with your dress, you can always use that while you're walking. Leader, you can put your arms behind your back or just make sure they are very cleanly to your side. I just don't want you guys to walk and then your arms are kind of flopping as you're going. And then my last tip is for the double face loop: don't separate too soon. So a very common mistake that people make is when we're going over, they'll separate and then the arms can't fully go behind each other's heads. So you wanna make sure you stay with your feet together, put the arms behind the head, just really make sure your elbows and your fingers are relaxed in that position, and then you can slide away. So it almost has a rubber band effect. We are now going to do this intro facing the opposite direction. Catch those extra details and try it with us whenever you're ready. And here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.